Hi Vases, it's a Puppeteer here again. Got another micro tutorial for you. This one is how to add vibrato to a sound. To make it simple, we are just going to use a single oscillator or just a single layer sound. The one we've chosen is a factory preset data shape saw. That's how it sounds normally, not very exciting. What we're going to do is add vibrato. What we have to understand in this one though is that because we're using a shaped saw, the pitch is actually controlled through the saw pitch rather than the pitch. So no effect at all to change the pitch parameter because the pitch has been controlled through this one. You can hear there. So what we're going to do is we're going to add some vibrato. We're going to use LFO1 and the mod wheel. So we'll set the source to mod wheel. That is how much of effect the vibrato has. We'll set the depth control to mod 1, so you can hold down the enter and press the B5 key, and then it'll select LFO1 for you, and we'll set it to 50 cents. So now we need to go, still nothing happens, so because we need to go in and set the LFO. So what we can do is set let's start at 3 Hertz. Sorry. And let's take a maximum rate of 6 Hertz. We'll assign the rate control to MIDI 13. So that's how you can control the speed of the vibrato, and we'll set the shape to sine. And now we should be able to hear it. Right, nice and simple. So you do vibrato. Talk to you next time.